Right where the latch hangs up. Come here, Flint. Load up. So today we are taking the big trailer to go pick up a different tractor. The house that I'm looking at buying has a very long driveway out in the country, and it's just too much to try to clean up with a shovel. So until I get my own tractor bought, my dad is going to lend me his smaller one. So we're going to go rescue that from the other tree farm and get it out of there before it snows too much to be able to get it out. Yeah, that's the plan. Okay. So years and years ago, when my dad first bought this little tractor, it actually came with this plow attachment that we've never actually used. It's just spent its entire life in our possession, just sitting here in the corner of the shed, sinking slowly into the ground. Now, when you have a several hundred-pound implement stuck in frozen ground, it's kind of like trying to pull Excalibur out of that rock, or maybe lifting Mjolnir out of, well, anything. It's stuck really, really tight. And using a blade might be really useful for pushing snow this winter, so we decided to get it out of there, which took a little bit of work. Well guys, it's a couple days later, and it's a really good thing we got the little tractor out when we did, because we have been in the middle of a rather nasty blizzard for about 2 straight days now. It's about 2 below zero, and we've got some big snow drifts that we're dealing with. So first I have to get this tractor started so that we can start dealing with the snow. So on a diesel, anything, as far as I know, there's such a thing as a glow plug. Now on more modern stuff, you don't have to deal with it the same way as this. This is an older tractor, and what you have to do is actually turn the key to heat, and then you look in this hole, and eventually you see what's called the glow plug, and there should be some coils inside there that actually light up and start glowing. sooner or later. And it's so cold right now that it might actually take quite a bit of time to get the glow plugs just to glow. I can see just a little bit of color to it now. And with it, like I said, with it being this cold, we have to let it glow really hot and red before we try to actually start up the tractor. See it getting nice and hot in there. Foot on the brake, clutch in, on, start. Come on, old girl, come on. No dice. At least it turned over. So we'll just get the glow plug hot again and try again. So the drifts right here aren't all that bad. We probably could just drive through it a bunch of times and make it better. Problem is there's just going to be more snow and more snow and more snow for the next 2.5 to 3 months. So if we do that, eventually there won't be a place to pack it down to. So the whole thing is, even if it's not that much snow, you still have to move it out of the way to make room for more. Well, Flint, I think that's about enough being cold for one day. We cleaned out kind of the area around the buildings, the shipping container and the tarp building where we keep some of the equipment. So now we can get in here a little easier next time, and we've got more room to push the next snow. I'm cold. I've had ice in my mustache, and Flint has ice in his feet. So we're gonna call it a day and go warm up. See you guys.